Hello everyone, my name is Gopalji and I welcome you all on my channel with a new reasoning question, a very interesting one. In fact, this question in this video I am going to talk about counting number of squares. So the question which is generally asked to us during interview is find total number of squares in a chessboard. A very interesting question. And when I asked this question to many of my students recently also, I was not surprised to get the answer as 64. The first answer that I get most of the time is 64, and if you are also one of them who think that 64 should be the correct answer of this question, then please stay tuned and see the solution of this particular question. How do we calculate, how do we find out, we count total number of squares in a chessboard? So first of all, let me show you total number of squares and how do we count number of squares in any given figure. So before I move to a chessboard problem, let me take some smaller diagrams like this to illustrate. So I have taken three types of squares. This is just if I write here size and number of squares. So here if I say 1 by 1, this is 1 unit and this is also 1 unit, right? So if I call this 1 by 1, so 1 by 1, how many squares I have? Only 1. In this figure I have only 1. Now in this figure, in figure number 2, where I can see many squares, so how many squares we have of 1 by 1 dimension? 1 by 1. So I can count here because this is small figure, so 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So that can be written as 4. And if I take 2 by 2, 2 by 2 means this is 1, this is also 1. So this overall I will take it as 2 unit, and similarly this lengthwise also this will be 1 and 1. So that is overall it is 2 units. So 2 by 2 of this dimension, how many squares I have? Only 1. So here I can see a total number of squares. In this case it is 1 plus 4, right? 1 plus 4. Moving on to the last figure that I have taken here on the screen. Similarly, if I see 1 by 1, so I am writing here 1 by 1. 1 by 1, you all can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I am getting 9 squares of 1 by 1 dimension. Now if I move ahead 2 by 2, try to understand. Let me use a different color marker. For example, if I have to count 2 by 2 squares, so what is happening? First of all, try to understand which square I am talking about. 2 by 2 will be one of those squares that I am discussing here is this one. This is a square of dimension 2 by 2. So how many squares of this size we have, this dimension? So that can be calculated like 2 by 2. Either I will take this, or if I can take this. So 1 or 1, 1 and 1, 2. There will be only two possibilities of taking at the base, and similarly on the top there will be only two ways of selecting this, either this or if I draw here for that matter. So it will again be 2 into 2, and that is 4, right? 4. And if I take 3 by 3 size squares, so that very well it is evident, like 3 by 3 means 3 unit and then 3 units. So I'll have only one such square. So what is the total number of squares here? It is 1 plus 4 plus 9, right? Now if you understand this, there is a particular pattern following here in this particular type of questions. So what is the pattern we are having? When we have only one square, it was just 1 as the total number of squares. When we had a dimension of like a square grid of 2 by 2, then we had 1 plus 4. Now can we write this 1 plus 4 as 1 square plus 2 square, right? Now similarly, when we have a square grid of 3 by 3 unit, then the total number of squares that we got is 1 plus 4 plus 9, which can be written as 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, right? So, and this will be the total number of squares in any similar figure. So chessboard is also, if you all understand this, a chessboard is nothing but a figure of, you can say 8 by 8. So we have 8 rows and 8 columns. Smaller units, if you count the total number of squares, smaller units, I am talking about this, right? So they are definitely 64, and that is why the first option that comes to our mind during solving this question is obviously 64. But this is a total grid of 8 by 8 unit. So moving in this way, the total number of squares in a chessboard, it will be 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 8 square, right, up to 8 square, and that value comes out to be 204. It is not 64 only. 64 is just this one, the smallest possible squares on a chessboard, but we have squares of different size. This 1 square denotes the largest size, 8 by 8, like this 2 square will denote 7 by 7, and so on. So we have total 204 squares on a chessboard, and you can use further on, if you have any question of counting squares in this type of figures, you can use the formula of sigma n square, which is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square. These are the direct formula we have for sigma n square. It means summation of squares of first n natural numbers, and this value is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Right, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So you can use this formula, put n is equal to 8 to get the value of 204 to calculate total number of squares in a chessboard. So I hope this was clear to you all. Thank you so much everyone. Stay tuned, and I will be coming with more similar videos very soon. Thank you.